Manipur Integrity has called on the central government to establish a dedicated Anti-Narcotics Bureau in the northeastern region, highlighting the rising threat of drug trafficking and narco-terrorism. The organization has also advocated for the creation of a specialized Anti-Narcotics Bureau that would operate transparently and coordinate with state governments and local authorities. The COCOMI has called for a thorough investigation into the suspected involvement of influential individuals and entities in Manipur, Mizoram and Myanmar's state who are allegedly aiding and abetting narco-terrorism activities in the region. The appeal by the COCOMI comes amid rising concerns over the rampant drug abuse and violence linked to narco-terrorism, with local communities and law enforcement agencies struggling to cope with the growing menace. So that's the latest that's coming in at this point of time. There's a huge crackdown by security forces on the drug operations that are taking place, and we have with us my colleague Nibir Deka to provide more details about this. Nibir, what exactly is the initiative being taken by the government right now, and what are the further details that are coming in terms of this?
Well, as you know that there has been a rise of the drug menace, and as such the government has been undertaking two major operations. Firstly, it is trying to catch hold of any sort of illegal smuggling of drugs via the northeastern states transit route, and that has been the first priority, and both the state police and the central security forces are working together to achieve that. And the second thing that they're trying to do is they're trying to stop by destroying the illegal poppy cultivation within the states. You have seen that in the recent times, both in Manipur and Assam, we have seen how poppy cultivation was destroyed by security forces, in the sense that these poppy cultivations were illegally cultivated in parts of the states, and which has facilitated to the rise of drug consumption. And the major priority is no longer about stopping just in illegal smuggling of drugs, but to cleanse within the states, so that these issues of drugs being smuggled or illegally used can be stopped. So this is a major overhaul on the war on drugs campaign. The war on drugs campaign have been led by the state government for some time now, and the main focus is now to target the internal consumption as well as the internal smuggling of drugs, which has been done in different parts of the states. Back to you.
All right, Nibir, thank you so much for joining us on the telecast and sharing those details. The Rouse Avenue Court